Today, we are looking ahead to the next issue of the MTD magazine that will land on desks in March, giving you a short preview of what to expect and the benefits available should you be thinking about promoting your company or products with some print advertising. The March issue will have an automotive theme with a sector report written by Will Sterling, who will give you a detailed update on the automotive industry. The technology focus will be on cutting tools. This section will showcase some great examples of the latest products with pages and pages of technical case studies and best practice applications. Now, our technology focus is when we enlarge upon a regular section, we give it more pages and bring it to the forefront of the magazine. The industry roundup pages will give you a feel for what is happening around the industry, of course. And our What's New section will feature the latest innovations from around the industry. On top of this, there is, of course, our regular topics, which include machining, work holding, measurement, software, and additive manufacturing. And not forgetting a real favourite with our readers, including myself, the Spot the Difference. So if you're thinking about promoting your company, products, services, or even an event with print advertising, here's just a few good reasons why MTD magazine should be your first choice. Firstly, our circulation. Unlike any other magazine, we use up-to-the-minute digital data to compile and distribute 14,000 copies to engineers and decision makers across the UK. Then we can add in the digital reach of our magazine. No other UK engineering publication can reach the massive MTD audience. Our digital edition is shared across all of our platforms, our website, our emails, and our social media channels. Additionally, individual magazine features are widely shared across our website and social media accounts, as well as being shared by our contributors and audience. We really do push the boundaries on readership of our magazine. So that's 14,000 copies plus our huge digital audience. Next is content. We pride ourselves on unique editorial content that is insightful, informative, educational, and above all, relevant to the reader. We blend in best practice applications and insights from around the industry that inform readers and help them to enhance their products, processes, and applications to be more efficient, competitive, and cost effective. We also bring the printed product to life with our QR codes that can direct readers to the MTD video content from specific installations. And if that wasn't enough, you can also listen to our magazine by using the MTD audiobook, where you can have the features in our publication read out to you wherever you are. And finally, it's our frequency. MTD magazine has a bi-monthly frequency which offers more time for it to be read. It gives unrivaled shelf life to the advertising it contains and cuts the cost per week of your advert in half. After all, if a magazine doesn't have enough thought-provoking content to keep the reader engaged, and a shelf life that is too frequent to suit your busy work pattern, then the adverts have no chance of being seen. Look, if you are interested in advertising in our publication or have any questions at all, then please don't hesitate to contact Carl Creamer at carl@mtd.media.